So what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? I will explain in a very funny way. For that we need to go to our childhood, especially when we are studying second or third standard. We are all kids at that time. So we are in a classroom and all of a sudden one of your classmates made a sound. Farted. Now immediately you recognize somebody is farted. Now that is called machine learning. But what is deep learning? Which person farted? It's a complex thing. You cannot immediately identify which person in the classroom is farted. So more complexity process it is. So deep learning means identifying the person who farted. While you are examining all your classmates, you find all people are acting very well, like everybody is writing. Only one of your friend act like a scientist, like he don't know anything. Then you will say this is the one who farted. So someone fart, detecting that is called machine learning, whereas which person fart, it is called deep learning. Now what is artificial intelligence? Here you identified someone who farted. In case of you, if a machine identifies that person, it is called artificial intelligence. The moment when machines get intelligence, that's what we call artificial intelligence. Now coming to the main topic, difference between machine learning and deep learning. Firstly, machine learning requires less time. You can immediately say somebody farted. But when coming to deep learning, it is a time consuming process because it will take some time to identify the person who farted. Now the second difference, machine learning consumes less memory, whereas deep learning, it consumes more memory. Now the third difference, limited accuracy in machine learning, whereas unlimited accuracy in deep learning. So farting, you said someone is farting, it is somewhat less accurate, but in deep learning, you can identify the person who farted. So in deep learning, you have unlimited accuracy. Now the next difference, machine learning requires less data sets, whereas for deep learning, it requires more data points. And the next difference, machine learning uses CPUs, central processing units, in their computers for processing the data, whereas for deep learning, the machine uses GPUs, graphic process units, because huge amount of data need to be processed in deep learning. Now the next difference, in machine learning there is no feature extraction, it's a different process, whereas in deep learning you will get feature extraction. Our farting example, machine learning will not detect the face of the person, it will just say somebody is farted. But when coming to the deep learning process, it will say, see this person, see this person having this face, so you are detecting that. So feature extraction can be done in deep learning. And final difference, in machine learning, it performs better with less data sets, whereas in deep learning, the performance increases with huge amount of data. So these are the differences between machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence. And I hope you understand the difference between these things. In simple way, machine learning means it's a kind of easy question and answer type, whereas in deep learning process, it's a kind of tough and complex questions with complex answers. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to AI English. And if you are interested to watch facts videos, please to subscribe to MVS Facts English.